is August 6th. It's the birthday of my mom, and Sab is turning 8 months old. So I'm gonna be baking some cookies, and I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching.
Hi, Debbie!
Pakita sa kanya ang babae di mano sa TikTok video.
Debbie?
Happy
Birthday to you! Oh, oh!
Lalo na po yung bata.
THBD.
Kasi it's light. I don't know guys, ako sa may start pero sa I just woke up. I know it's really weird. I know 15 minutes na kasi sobrang sarap ng tulog.
So I'm with the birthday girl and the happy month. Oh, Mommy ang sabi. Me. Sab, ano na Sab? Storya na Sab. So I'm with Sab right now. He is waiting for his food. And taod kay mag-start na ko bake sa cookies. So yeah. Huh? Cookies? So now it's time to bake the cookies. We have butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. We have 1 egg and vanilla extra. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Of course, our chocolate chips. Mix, mix, mix it, girl. For an hour, gibutang syrup. Pwede natin siya i-serve Oh, circle? Circle din? Okay, yeah. Ay, ibutang diri sa butanganan with perch. Ano si tawag ni gani? Parchment paper. So, yeah. Let's go. Alright guys, so mauna ni ang naam sa akong cookies and nagpilit ang uban. Kaya is a prank! Dili na butangan. Dili enough ang butter. So karon guys, akong patilawan if unsay lami. Kaya, lawi daw. Lami mo ra cookies or di?
Chewy siya.
For cookies or di?
Cookies.
So okay na.
Okay kayo.
Okay. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this vlog. I do hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have any suggestions for my next vlog. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below so that every time I posted a new videos like this, you'll get notified. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!